how to use shield in Last Sea Survival Shooter. So here I'll be giving you tips. So what are shields first? So shields are basically those things that gives you protection of your defense wall in your town hall or in your town center, where you can get protected if any of the enemies attacks you. So go ahead to the defense wall. In the defense wall section, you can see here I have got a defense wall. So go to the defense wall and then, or your city walls, and then go to this defense section. So once you go to this defense section, you can see you can edit your troops right here in this page. Now go ahead to the buff section. You can see peace seal. So protect your headquarters from attack or scouts by other survivors. So simply press there. Here you can purchase and use those seals. So you can purchase them using the gems. You can purchase and use, purchase and use, purchase and use again. So you can see your usage log as well. You can simply go ahead and purchase for 8 hour, 24 hour and 3 days. So it will cost accordingly. So it will protect your 8 card for 8 hours. So that's according to the pack. That's how you get shields in the city walls in the Last Sea Survival Shooter. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.